Hello. Welcome to Goals for Mars. This video is a look at what the current plans are for missions to Mars. Current active missions, past missions, and potential futures for humans on the Red Planet. Missions to Mars began in the 1960s, but due to the hugely difficult task of getting and landing on Mars successfully, out of the 56 total missions that were launched, 26 were successful. Current active missions on the Red Planet include InSight, ExoMars, Trace Gas Orbiter, Maven, Mars Orbiter Mission, Curiosity, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, Mars Express, and 2001 Mars Odyssey. So what have we learned so far about Mars? Well, we know that the gravity there is 0.375 that of Earth. The difference in gravity would negatively affect human health by weakening bones and muscles. There is also risk of osteoporosis and cardiovascular problems. The surface gravity on Mars is only about 38% of the surface gravity on Earth, so if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. We also know that the atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, some water vapor. There is no available oxygen in the Mars atmosphere. If you breathe the gas, you die. The temperature is average -81 degrees Fahrenheit. On average, the temperature plunges to about -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees. This is something that would kill you over the course of hours if you are not properly warmed. Despite the difficulty and challenges presented in missions to Mars, there are real plans for the future. Goals for Mars. Goal 1, determine whether life ever arose on Mars. Goal 2, characterize the climate of Mars. Goal 3, characterize the geology of Mars. Goal 4, prepare for human exploration. Also, Elon Musk's space travel company has ambitious plans for the Red Planet of its own. SpaceX's aspirational goal is to land the first humans on Mars by 2024. The key element of the infrastructure is the SpaceX Starship, a fully reusable second-stage in-space vehicle. To achieve a large payload, the spacecraft first enters Earth orbit, where it is refueled before it departs to Mars. Crew Vehicle, SpaceX Starship. First crewed flight, circa 2024. Maiden flight, circa 2022. Purpose, colonization of Mars. The aspirational goal is to send our first cargo mission to Mars in 2022. The objectives for the first mission will be to confirm water resources, identify hazards, and put in place initial power, mining, and life support infrastructure. A second mission, with both cargo and crew, is targeted for 2024, with primary objectives of building a propellant depot and preparing for future crew flights. The ships from these initial missions will also serve as the beginnings of the first Mars base, from which we can build a thriving city and eventually a self-sustaining civilization on Mars. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will leave you with the quote from SpaceX owner Elon Musk. You want to wake up in the morning and think the future is going to be great, and that it's what being a space-faring civilization is all about. It's about believing in the future and thinking that the future will be better than the past. And I can't think of anything more exciting than going out there and being among the stars. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.